this video, we'll learn binary phase shift keying, BPSK modulation and demodulation techniques. In BPSK modulation, the phase of the RF carrier is shifted 180 degrees in accordance with a digital bit stream. A 1 causes a phase transition and a 0 does not produce a transition. Phase shift keying is the digital modulation technique in which the phase of the carrier signal is changed by varying the sine and cosine inputs at a particular time. PSK technique is widely used for wireless LANs, biometric, contactless operations, along with RFID and Bluetooth communications. PSK is of two types depending upon the phases the signal gets shifted. They are binary phase shift keying and quadrature phase shift keying. Binary phase shift keying. This is also called as two-phase PSK or phase reversal keying. In this technique, the sine wave carrier takes two phases reversal, such as 0 degree and 180 degree. BPSK is basically a double sideband suppressed carrier DSP-SC modulation scheme, or message being the digital information. We talk about BPSK modulator. The modulation of BPSK is done using a balance modulator which multiplies the two signals applied at the input. For a zero binary input, the phase will be 0 degree, and for a high input, the phase reversal is of 180 degree. Now we'll talk about BPSK demodulator. By recovering the band limited message signal with the help of the mixer circuit and the band pass filter, the first stage of demodulation gets completed. The baseband signal, which is band limited, is obtained, and this signal is used to regenerate the binary message bit stream. Now we'll perform the experiment on the kit. In order to observe waveforms, we have a digital storage oscilloscope. On the kit, we have a binary PSK modulator and a binary PSK demodulator. Various data streams having 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit and 64 bit can be generated. The data clock may be selected as 2 kHz, 4 kHz, 8 kHz and 16 kHz. Now we'll try to observe waveforms at various points of the kit. At point number 1, we are getting this kind of waveform. This is our data stream at point number 2, that is data obtained from data generator is shown over here. This is our data stream that we are getting from data generator. Now we'll observe signal at various points of the kit. Let us observe the signal at point number 10. This is the signal at point number 10. The signal at point number 11, which is a carrier wave, is this one. This is your carrier wave. This is your message signal in the form of bit streams. The BPSK output can be observed at point number 12, which is shown here. So you can observe that with a bit, when the data stream is 1, it causes a pulse transition, and a 0 does not produce a transition. So in this way we have obtained binary phase shift keying modulated output. Now this modulated output of BPSK modulator is fed to the BPSK demodulator, where we can again observe various waveforms. The carrier waveform fed to the BPSK demodulator is shown here. output as point number 15, that is output of the integrator is shown this, and final output, that is BPSK demodulated wave that we obtained, is this one, which is exact replica of the original data bit stream. So in this way we have performed binary PSK modulation and binary PSK demodulation. Thank you.